We all know how important good posture is to your overall health and well-being. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about how this little device can help make sure your posture stays proper all day long. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you once again about this little device from a company called Uposture. Now, I reviewed the Uposture a while back, a year or two ago. This is the new improved version. They've made a few little tweaks and improvements to the algorithm inside the device itself, as well as it now comes in several different colors. They have the all black as they did before, but now they have this orangish red color, this yellowish color, and then there's also a green color as well. I'm going to set two of these aside and just hold on to one so that I can not have my hands so full and explain exactly what is Uposture, what's it used for, what does it do. Well, it is a posture device. It's to help you keep good posture, because obviously that's really important, but it's also really hard to do. And there's all these devices, like you wear these things. I've tried some of those myself, and they're uncomfortable. I never would wear them more than a day because it's annoying. It's not comfortable, and who's going to do that? This device has no discomfort. It just is like a little nudge. It's kind of like having someone walk around behind you all day, and when you start to slouch, kind of tapping you on the shoulder and saying, hey, sit up straight. And it's great. It works great. So how it works is every one of these come with their own little necklace, and you wear it around your neck, and you put it around your neck, and it sits on your chest. You set your posture to where it needs to be, sitting up nice and straight, or standing straight, actually, is probably the best way. And then you turn it on, and then you tap it once. This is a button on the front here. When you press that button, it calibrates it to your correct posture. Then after that, you usually want to wear it on the inside of your shirt so it's nice and against your chest. And then after that, if you ever start to slouch, it detects it and it just buzzes. It just vibrates to let you know. And if you stay slouched, it'll keep vibrating until as soon as you correct your posture, then it corrects. Then it senses it, and then it stops vibrating, stops buzzing. So very simple, but very, very effective. Now what's cool is there are two modes. There's a mode that's really strict. So even if you slouch just a little bit for very short, for a second or two, it'll vibrate, it'll notify you. Or there's a looser version. So if you switch into the loose mode, then you'd have to be slouching, because your body's moving. If you're up and moving and doing stuff, sometimes your body's going to be in a position that might be interpreted as slouching. So in those situations, you turn it into the looser mode, and it won't be as strict. It'll give you a few more seconds before it sends a vibration and says, hey, you need to straighten up. But it's really effective. It doesn't correct your posture. It just is a constant reminder. It helps you pay attention to your posture more than you ever would on your own, which is great. Obviously, it's a wireless rechargeable device. In the box, you get this nice little magnetic charger. It's really simple. It's a USB you plug in, and then it's magnetic on the back here, so it just snaps right on there. Goes right into the place on its own because of the magnet. The device also has a little tiny LED. You don't really see it when you're wearing it so much. It's not really bright. It's very it's hidden really until it lights up. But it lets you know when you set it down. If it's green, then you know that you still have power. When it turns red, then you know you need to plug in and charge it. It does have a built-in timer function. If you lay it flat and press it, then I think it's like a 25-minute timer. They just put that in there because why not? Since they had the ability to do that, it might be useful to you, but that's not really obviously the main purpose of this. It's really to help you with your posture. And for that purpose, it is a really, really excellent device. It's so simple and easy to use. I love that they have the different colors. Obviously, because you're going to be mostly wearing the actual device underneath your top shirt, most people won't see the color. That's your own personal thing, but they will see the color of the necklace that it's on. I love this color. They call it persimmon red. My favorite color is orange, and it's kind of an orangish color to me. It's not definitively red or orange. It's kind of an orangish reddish color. but they also have the yellow, the black, and the green, so you can pick the color that works great for you. But it's a simple device, but again, really, really helpful for keeping your posture straight. If you're looking for something to help you with your posture, to help maintain that healthy posture, which has so many implications for so many different things, then this is definitely a device that I would recommend. The new improved version, I loved the original version, and the new improved version is even better. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. I will have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon, so you can jump over there and check it out. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.